Channel. We have just arrived for our pre-cruise day in where?
New York City!
Yes, New York City. The weather's actually not bad. Took us about 3.5 hours, not bad. We even stopped. So far so good.
We left Washington, D.C.
Yes.
And came to
the Big Apple.
The Big Apple. Yes. It's time to get down. That's the fun ride.
When they say designer.
Be careful. Now that's with a Z.
Okay.
Designer.
According to the map, we are about 12 minutes from the cruise port of Miami. Miami. I'm so used to cruising out of Miami. I'm cruising out of New York City. We are 12 minutes away from the cruise terminal in Manhattan. According to the map. We'll see with all this traffic. Thank you. We made it. We made it.
There you go. Someone's vlogging.
Yes.
Hello. Welcome to
Proceed
Prima.
directly to your master station.
Okay.
D, that is Libistro Deck 7.
Deck 7? Okay. This is the Freestyle Daily. Deck 7. They done put some money in this one. $11,908. It's going to be your family. So beautiful. This is a cabin. It's the decor for me. The cushions on the balcony. I feel like I do this in every vlog and I struggle with the door, every vlog. But here we are. Guys, welcome back. So what I wanted to do was I actually wanted to show you the closet spaces while it's actually being used. I thought these were really helpful. Clearly I didn't use them, but I just wanted you to see the spacing here. It was well thought out. It's well put together. You can stay very organized. Extra blankets. And now I want to show you the bathroom. The shelving down below. And this shower actually is a pretty good size shower. And this again is going to be your family balcony suite. Family ocean balcony suite. Or the opposite of what I'm saying, but yes.